What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at the new side quest game, Discovery. Now, this game is completely free of charge, and so is side quest, so you will need side quest to install this. Unfortunately, it is not on App Lab yet. I don't know if App Lab will ever support Discovery. As of right now, SideQuest is the only way to install it onto your quests. Now, if you don't know how to install SideQuest and get that set up, I'll have a link in the description down below where I'll take you to a video on how to set up SideQuest. So now that you have figured out how to install SideQuest, that's the easiest part of this video. Now, I did try to put the game to its knees by recording at 1080p 60 FPS, and I had a bunch of TNT going off with a bunch of animals being spawned, and the Quest 2 handled it very well. I don't have a Quest 1 right now with me. I couldn't test the performance on it, but I'm assuming that since it's made for the Quest systems, it should work just fine on the Quest 1 as well. Now, you're going to notice a few things. It does resemble the RTX version of Minecraft. It looks very punchy when it comes to glowing objects like torches, lava, or slime. And for me, that was the cherry on top. Not only does it play well, but it also looks great too. So now I'm going to give you guys a moment of silence so that way you guys can listen to the music and the environment itself. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and to virtual reality check yourself. Peace.